Hey guys, just wanted to show you something I was making tonight that it takes some time to love yourself. Like, make some real meals out of what you've got in the fridge and the freezer. I cooked up some bacon, then I added some curry butter. All of this without any sugar, super flavorful, awesome. This stuff is like incredible. The Argentinian red shrimp tastes like lobster. They're awesome. Anyway, so cooked it all together. Now I've got my meats in there, and I've got asparagus I've already cooked, and then I got peppers that are now ready, and then I'm gonna add some crab meat. It's awesome, it's so good. Then I've got all these great spices, and this is the key to like eating really good, is have really good spices. And you can make anything taste good. Himalayan salt. Here's some chipotle smoked red jalapeno and turmeric twist savory blend. These are the main spices I use for a lot of different things. This one from Costco is just so good. Anyway, yeah. So, and then make a few meals worth. Pack it up, bring it to work, so you're eating healthy at work too, and you're not tempted to eat crap, Anyway, just thought I'd share that with you. Bye. So then, I just thought I'd just throw it all together just real quick. You don't even have to measure anything, just throw it all in there. And then this stuff's really good. This guy gave it to me for free once because he made it. It's garlic olive oil. So yeah, there's that stuff. It's really good. Put a little Himalayan salt. It's so much better for you than regular salt. Regular salt's actually really bad. Okay. It's hard to do this one-handed. A lot of you already cook this way anyway. This chipotle is like super duper hot. So I just put a little bit. Yeah. And then just mix it all together. And then to taste, where's my thingy? Oh, okay, there we go. Oh, and then I like to eat a little bit of like some cheese on the side too. Whatever I can find that just looks really good at the time. See how colorful? Yum, 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 yum. Oh, it tastes so good. All right, have a good one, guys.